Hey everyone, this is Erin. I'm going to show you how to create a brand kit in Canva. So this is what it will look like on your home screen. And then you can go over here to brand kit. I do believe this is for the free version as well. I think there's a limit on how many different colors you can save or fonts you can save. But I think you'll have access to this in a free Canva account as well. So if you look in this brand kit. This is our Freedom Makers brand kit. So you can see all of our logos, all of our colors, and we don't have any fonts in here, but if you had specific brand fonts, you would add them here by uploading a font. We're gonna make a brand new brand kit for my new fake business. It's called Erin Close. I already forgot what it was called, but I made a logo for it. Okay, so let's make a new brand kit. So I'm going to add my new brand logos just by hitting that plus button. I'm going to find them here. I made this. Oh, I have a cosmetics boutique. Okay, so I've got one logo and I've got a second one, like a smaller version that just says EC. So you can see it's already starting to pull colors from my logo to add here. So we will hit keep because we want that pink for our brand colors. Let's delete that duplicate one. Okay, so those are the three colors that it pulled directly from my logo, but I also have other brand colors that I use in my social media posts. So I'm gonna go down here to make another palette and I'm going to hit this plus. And this is where it will need your 6-digit hex code in order to find your colors. So if your client already has a media kit or a marketing brand kit, you'll have access to these, their 6-digit codes. So I'm going to use my codes, which are F699CD and FEC5. No, I didn't do that one right. FC94AF. 7F9C. Okay, so we're just going to add one more. Let's do FCBACB. Did that work? I don't know. Okay, so this is where you'll add any of your colors. And then over here is where you can add brand fonts. So say your client already has a special font that's maybe not a Canva font, you can upload it just by using the font file here, or you can use any of Canva's fonts. So I'm going to use my fonts, which are Wanley, this one. I have three. Just see. And this one's my favorite. Okay. Okay, great. So this is my new brand kit. Okay, now we're going to use all of these elements to make a social media post. Okay, so now I'm back at my home screen. I'm gonna make a post for my Instagram. So I'm gonna go up here to create a design. And I'm gonna make an Instagram post. So, okay. So I'm going to find one of the templates. Let's go with this one, and I want to make it in all my colors and my fonts. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over here to my logos. So usually you can choose what brand kit that you'll want to use. So usually it'll just be defaulted onto Freedom Makers, but now we're going to go over to my new company so it knows that I am using these colors and this logo. So the first thing I'm going to do is start changing some of these colors. So I'm going to click on some of the elements and I'm going to go up here to color, and here's all my brand colors. So, okay, here they are. Okay, so I'm gonna just start changing colors to my colors, all different shades of pink. And then the background. And then let's just say this is going to say, come visit us today. And I want to make this into my font. Here's my fonts. Okay. So let's use, oh, that's not good. Okay, that's one of my fonts. And let's change it into one of my colors. And then the last thing I'm going to do is add my logo. Like maybe there. And then maybe like here, I would put my website or something down here. I don't know. I don't really have one. Okay. Well, that's really it. And then you would just save it and upload it to your social media. Okay. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Bye.